The key thing for estimating is to choose numbers that you can work out easily. So 58.7 squared, I don't know what that is, but if I make the 58.7, if I make that roughly 60, I can do 60 squared pretty easily. So estimating the 58.7 to be roughly the same thing as 60 because they're close to each other, I can do 60 squared pretty easily. Next, we've got the square root of the 1612. Well, if I make that 1612, if I make that 1600, then I can do the square root of 1600 pretty easily, because I know the square root of 16 is 4, so the square root of 1600 would be 40. So let's calculate each of these then. So so the 60 squared, 60 times 60 is going to be 3,600. And the square root of 1600 is going to be 40. 3,600 divided by 40 is 90. And so that is my estimate for the value of that calculation. For part B, I need to state whether this is an underestimate or an overestimate, and I need to give a reason for my answer. So let's look at what we did to the numbers when we estimated them. I made the 58.7, I made that bigger to become 60. So I've got a bigger number on the numerator. The 1612, I made that smaller. I made that go down to 1600. So what I've ended up doing is I've done a bigger number divided by a smaller number. A bigger number divided by a smaller number will mean the result will be bigger than I expected it to be. So it's an overestimate.